Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sarah's Kitchen. Today I want to make this ribeye steak in the air fryer. It's simple, just a couple spices, not too much, and it gets crispy and really tasty. So come join me. Okay, so let's take this to the air fryer at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. So I'm going to do it for now for 15 minutes, and I'm going to flip it after like 7 minutes back and forth and adjust the temperature accordingly. So this is it, guys, look at that. So this is it, guys. I don't eat beef, so I'm just making it for my husband, Jerry. So when he comes home, he will be so happy. So it took 15 minutes in the air fryer at 425. I'll put all the ingredients that I use in the description. So try it and let me know. Of course, if you like it rare, put less minutes. Just keep an eye on it. And my husband likes it like this, not red, not bloody or anything like that. So let me know what you think. See you in my next video. Bye.